About a deadly combination of heroin and elephant tranquilizer are now being sounded for firefighters and paramedics. Police and health officials say the deadly drug carfentanil could also pose health risks for first responders. 24-hour News 8's Ken Kolker is in the newsroom right now with the latest. Ken.
So it's just one more thing to worry about for firefighters and paramedics who are often the first to respond to these medical emergencies.
In general, just beware of the contact. You don't want to come in contact. Make sure whether it's a mask, gloves.
That's because the potent powder, health officials say, can be absorbed through the skin.
There is a transcutaneous or transdermal property to it. That means that it can go through your skin. And that warning wouldn't apply just to first responders, but anyone who might find this.
In Ada, an overdose of heroin killed a 21-year-old man just 2 weeks ago, though the medical examiner's office today said it did not involve carfentanil.
It can happen anywhere. I mean, it doesn't matter, I guess, how much somebody makes or how big their house is. It's going to affect the city of Grand Rapids as much as it would Ada.
On Thursday, Kent County Sheriff's officials said they believe carfentanil mixed with heroin had led to a recent overdose death, though they did not provide details and said they were awaiting final test results. They said they also believe that carfentanil was mixed in with heroin seized in 2 separate cases. Today, Kent County Medical Examiner Dr. Stephen Cole says his lab had not identified a carfentanil case, though they were still awaiting tests on overdose cases. Either way, fire departments across Kent County were issuing warnings to firefighters.
The only concern that would be is if someone inadvertently came in contact with it, meaning this, that regardless if it's talcum powder, baby powder, heroin, or any other white substance, we're going to treat it exactly the same.
With gloves and lots of caution. Now, the warnings also have led to a phone conference today between the Michigan State Police, the State Department of Health and Human Services, and the Kent County Health Department. Now, they say they are reaching out to other states that have been hard hit, including Ohio, to see how they've handled this. Live in the newsroom, Ken Kolker, 24-hour News 8.